show you. Yes.
Please sit. Why don't you enjoy a cup of calming jasmine tea?
Sup? Hey everyone. Damn, it's been long. Hee far out. Feels like it's been ages, Whānau. How is everybody doing? Sorry I was away for that long. Oh damn, there's a lot of people already. Chew, whānau, how's everyone doing? Far out, it's been a long time. Kia ora whānau, man, long time no see. How's everyone doing? I'm good, so yeah, about being away for that long, so apparently, so the server for the IRL backpack went down, so that's why I wasn't on for that much time, but I apologise for that, but we found a solution, and we seem to be going good so far. Hey, King Joppy! Hey, sup from Northern Ireland, how the fuck are you, brother? Oh, thanks for the sub, my bro. You did not have to, bro. Straight up. Nothing's changed. Rona's still out there. And Root Beer gifting us tier 1 sub. Appreciate it, brother. But once again, remember, guys, it's important to look after yourselves too. But how's everyone been? Jim Bob, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh no, here we go. Kia ora, Ryan. Kia ora, brother. Unlucky Falls.
Understanding others. The other element.
Thank you for gifting subs, brother. Shite, you didn't have to, bro. Like, straight up, you didn't have to. But much appreciated. So I'm just gonna tweet out. Just gonna tweet out to everyone that we're live again. Giovanna, we are back testing the new system since server went down. No mai. Twitch.tv/Brox. Bro, I missed you Hardy. Can't lie about that. I really missed you. Just chilling with you guys. I think that was like the main thing for me. Okay, yeah, so we're going to catch up first, so just talk about what went over the past 5 days. Hope I didn't miss anything. Oh, we got a hydro from Wukong Gaga. Actually, I didn't have my morning water. Oh, jeez. Dicker, bro, you already know, brother. Thank you for gifting 5 subs, brother, you didn't have to. Okay. I am considering joining the military when I'm 18. I'm not sure what the branch I've looked, which seems to be called vehicle mechanic. Been keen for the Air Force, but I need a little help figuring out which one to join. Bro, that all comes down to what you want to do, brother. I've never been in the army, probably never will be. I mean, I've been part of the army that liberated Orgrimmar, but that's about it. Hey, cheer, brother Thunder, and retired Viking. Hey, lucky brewmaster. Not really loving it, eh? Like, I'm not having fun with it. I'm enjoying my warrior again though. Retired Viking, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. You can look after yourself. Don't know why, but I'm drinking a lot of Red Bull recently. Okay, just going back to make sure I didn't miss anything.
Pride is not the opposite of sin, but its source. True humility is the only antidote to shame.
Okay, so shout out to Paul Polder, brother. So shout out to Dave asked, Tezka, Puzzle Dolphin and TCO2 for subbing. You didn't have to. You can just watch. It's all good. And Skeleton Chip for resubbing. Thank you guys. Once again, just remember, look after yourselves. So yeah, over the past 5 days, the main server for our backpack went down, and but that's something you can't really dodge, which is okay. But we're up and running again. I'm gonna be in a chat today, my bro. Just make sure you do your phone calls, brother. Yeah, so over the 5 days, yeah, the server went down, and we also did the handover for the Taiaha. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you the final product, but I uploaded to Instagram and the Discord as well, and so the person that received it loved it. Like, so it's for, oh god. Hey yo, Rudy Poo. Yo, Rudy Poo, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. We're just catching up first. But much love, brother. And to anyone that receives gifted subs, say thank you. It's all good. And Mitka for subbing as well. Much love, brother. And Will Croquette. Appreciate it, brother. It was cool to learn about you and your culture. Oh, thanks, old Greg. Sure, brother. Yeah, so that happened. So our premiere thing for like the Red Bull short documentary I did went live, and man, I was nervous, but have been getting nothing but positive messages from it. That I'm just glad everyone likes it. So the team from 4 and 5 Studios and Red Bull NZ, they were cool as, like really welcoming. I was shy at first, and yeah, just felt comfortable around them. No, because I've never really done anything like that. Ever. And, but yeah, I enjoyed it. So, obviously, if you haven't seen it already, it's on Red Bull Gaming's main YouTube channel. And, go and have a look if you want to. If you don't, it's all good. But, yeah, other than that, we did the handover for the Taiaha. Hey, Chew Wolf! Looking good, boss, bro. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, we did the handover for the Taiaha over the few days that I wasn't online. And so it's actually his birthday this weekend, but unfortunately they had to cancel it because of COVID. So they're just having a family dinner, and then they'll do the handover there, and they're going to send me a video. But yeah, so some of the family and the sister to the brother that's having a birthday came down. And she loved it. She wouldn't like let go of it, like put it to the side while we were kicking back. But yeah, her and all her whānau came down, and yeah, they loved it. So that's a good sign. Julian, excited for Shadowlands, brother. Cheer, brother. Definitely, my bro. Looking forward to those Shadowlands shorts that just got teased this morning too. And I'm sure I heard Garrosh in there. Sounded like him and Ravendreath. And but I'm looking forward to Drucker's story. Cheer, whānau. Delta Grunt, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. And Matt Will with the bit streamers low key, keep this platform great. Ah, cheer, brother. Yeah. One moment. Whew. Is Whakaaro like Māori totem poles? Nah, that's just one of the many different types that we have. Like, So this is our comparison to other cultures' totem poles. So we have these ones which are popo, and then we have teko teko, which is like a 3-dimensional figure. So we'll probably be doing a bit of this today, since the tyre has gone. But with saying that, so over the past 5 days I was looking through the emails for people that have been asking for commissions. So I'm only answering people that ask through the email, not on Instagram or anything else, just so I know it's all in one place. So JT, you're one of them, Kaya, and there's also a third, so there's 2 spots left that I'll be looking through the emails to see what kind of pieces people want, and that's within like the cultural carvings that I do. Your wood sculptures are sick. Thanks, brother. HBN, thank you very much, bro, for the subbing. Oh, for the bits. You didn't have to, though, brother. Oh, Flixen, yeah, my daughter's been good. She's got a little bit of a flu, but she's pretty much pushed it off. And my partner too, Mrs. Brock's feeling under the weather, but she's good now. Slowly getting better. Yeah, JT, so with these commissions, so I'm going to talk to you guys personally. Yeah, Thunder, bro, it looks mean as. So we're probably going to see how Uther becomes Bluther as well. So something that I'm going to do with these commissions, so we'll start from, since I have an iPad I can draw it now. So we're going to make like an art portfolio on top of the commission piece that you get, just so you can see your piece take shape from the paper right to the end product. So what I have to do before we start these commissions is go and get the timber, so I'll probably be looking into that this week, and then we may start next week. So once again we got JT's one of them, Kaya, another one who asked for a 3-dimensional figure, and there's 2 more spots, so I'll be looking through emails, making sure it's not too out the gate. Yeah, like, oh, I want a human head, and no. Here's the video Red Bull has done. This looks like a Just for Kicks commando. Yeah, so hey, cheer Prolin, and cheer brother Otto. So yeah, so JT wants some mask, so we'll talk about that, or I'll draw up some concepts. Someone wants a heru, which is a hair comb for their partner, and yeah, that 3-dimensional figure as well. It's gonna be a rugby trophy. Hey, cheer T-Mod! Do you make any tiny stuff? Not like Warhammer tiny, bro. I can't do that. Georgie's. Oh man, I'm gonna butcher this so hard, brother. Georgie's greed of bed. Sorry, brother. Thanks for subbing, brother. You didn't have to. And your boy Leviu, and the young Tobias, and also Death Ahoy. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. But thank you. Just remember, look after yourself. Buy yourself a pie. I had 2 this morning, and they were great. Yeah, Prolin, yeah, my days were good, but yeah, we're pretty much getting smashed by the weather. It was crazy this morning. I was gonna chill out over there and just talk, but nah. Is he Samoan? Nope. But I have love for my Polynesian brothers and sisters. Yeah, so we're gonna just jam this. So this is a popo. 3-dimensional. Oh, two-dimensional, sorry. So these usually sit inside meeting houses. So if you go onto the Te Puia VOD, we need to go and check out another meeting house there. So if you follow the rafters inside, and usually at the bottom are these particular carvings here, which are usually ancestors. So this is one here. I was actually doing this one on the Red Bull video, and yeah, this is what we'll be doing for now. And we finally got a sharpening stone too. Just checking them out. So we're gonna just be dropping levels first. That's the first thing I do. And then we'll go from there. But it's good to be streaming for all of you guys again. Hey, cheers, brother Val. Valoon. How do I say it? Valhoon? Valoon? Yeah, man. Warhammer, like those people that paint Warhammer stuff, they're pretty top tier in my eyes, I would say. Something I probably wouldn't do though. Yeah, so we're gonna just jam this fella today. Oh my god, who's this? Sergeant Suicider. Hey, Fanta. Oh, gifting subs, bro. Didn't have to, my bro. Hold on, guys. Just getting my pack ready. Get some good chisels to clean with. Go. There we go. So we will need our 2. That's a nice tool to clean. What happened? Oh no, who's this? Oh, 8 mate. Morgan Yates, thank you. Oh, Morgan. Oh my god. Yo, Sergeant Suicider. See what happens when I look away. Sergeant Suicider, thank you for gifting 5 subs, brother. You did not really have to. But to the 5 people that received your gifted subs, brother, give our man a bit of a thank you, eh? And then Alabors 2 with the Twitch Prime subbing. Once again, brother, don't forget to look after yourself. It's alright to do that here. And then Morgan Bloody Yates gifting 10 subs. Holy crap. Thank you for that, brother. Once again, brother, yous all know yous don't have to. Jeez, look after yourselves, eh? And I also see Gamer Ghost in there who subbed with his Twitch Prime. Holy crapula. And then 8 mate. That's 8 mate. Cheer bro for gifting. Holy crap. Now, you didn't have to as well, 8 mate. Now everyone that received any of those gifted subs, can you all say thank you to these very nice people, god tier people. Kia ora, man, hope you're well. Yo, Gurgus NZ, I'm good, brother. Thanks for resubbing. You didn't have to though. And Desu-sama. And quickly. And then Joey, woohoo, what a hell of a relaxed stream. Yeah, cheers Joey for resubbing. Thank you very much, guys. Man, you didn't have to, eh? And Ruby the Cherry 88. Oh crap. Govis with the bits as well. Oh my gosh. Cause Matt. Thank you very much, guys. Far out. I just got to the bottom now. Calm down. Oh. Who needs ears? I think I better carve some and give them out here. The dumb best Polak. Cheers, brother. You didn't have to. And Nelly Zoid. Cheers, guys. You're on tonight, eh, Thunder? You just remember looking after yourself is a priority here. Is he crying? Nah, I just got a snotty nose. Love you, bro. Cheer now, Zoid. Cheer, brother.
Sometimes life is like this dark tunnel. You can't always see the
Ooh,
light
this
at the
is
end of the tunnel.
not good.
But if you just keep moving, you will come to a better place.
Oh, thanks, Jivers. You're gonna finish off what I was doing yesterday. Oh, that's right, you're doing Midoriya, eh? Just let us know if what I asked for is too much, brother. All good. I'll can it. Carves like butter. Oh. I'll get our sharpening stone, eh? Alright, so yeah, I got us a sharpening stone. So for the blades. Doesn't feel too bad. Working on your own hands, mate. I feel so unsure. Okay, cheers, Super Rabbit. Yeah, so this is our sharpening stone we got. Bit of a near stone, sharp and quick. Tiger! Would love me a Zolian tiger. Do the native people of New Zealand have a fighting style martial arts unique to New Zealand? Apparently, we had a form of jiu-jitsu known as Mamo. I've never heard of it in my entire Māori life of living until this year. But we had Maurako with our weapons. Yeah. Oh, come on, Sergeant. Are we gonna get a sharpening stone down the road? Yeah, Sergeant, brother, you didn't have to do that. Thank you though, brother. Holy crap. I need to get like a proper KC. Imagine if I played some Careless Whisper. 5 months of carving. Hey, tune Phoenix. You look like Aquaman, not gonna lie. My name's Jason. Yeah! I drink Seems like all smooth sailing. Oh, cool. Original Muffins, thanks for gifting. You didn't have to. Me and Red Bull Taco. Thank you, brother. I think what's more satisfying is you like it. Play some Dirty Dancing music as I sharpen. On loudspeaker. Jim Reed, thank you for the sub, and Cuckles Pro. Jesus. Spike Spanish. No. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are sharpening chisel. Happy little sharp. What you want to do here is you do a long stroke. Nice and short. Not too long, not too short. Just right. Sometimes you can grab the stone, place it, do side to side. And as you can see, all the soot in the water coming off the chisel. Bro, I still can't find the brown effery. I haven't checked the $2 shops yet. Bro, is it raining over in Rhodes? Yeah, it's on the way, from what I can see. There we go. Now, usually what you can, it's much stream. What's up from New Jersey? Hey, brother. Box, do you have a playlist? On disc? Oh, on, is it Spotify, brother? Okay, so I'm just gonna go grab a 1200 sandpaper. Sneaky Tushy. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. We three were all alone. We're not even a company. My echo, 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 echo. My shadow and me. What happened? What are you poking for? Oh, God. Twinny, what the fuck? What are you doing? Sneaky Tushy. God damn, Sneaky Tushy. Thank you very much, Sneaky Tushy. You didn't have to. Bro, that's a lot, bro. Just imagine all the pairs of shoes you could buy. For yourself. Oh, come on, bro. Don't start this. Oh, bro. Bro, I'm just out here trying to sharpen my chisel. Bro, that's crazy. What the hell, Sneaky Tushy? I see a Phase Mew emote. I believe that's Phase Mew. Can I please have your permission to draw you? Oh, go hard, all good. No one needs to ask, just do it. I think I like the surprise there. That's what makes me appreciate it more. No, thank you very much, Sneaky. You're the wholesome streamer, right? No. Nah. So people call me, brother, but I can't claim that. I don't know. I'm just a carving streamer, brother. Holy crap, Sneaky Tushy though. Sneaky Tushy? Where are you from? I feel like you might be a weeb as well. Just like myself. Oh, come on, bro. What the fuck? Sneaky Tushy, that's not sneaky at all. You're getting caught. Oh, hell. Jeez, I haven't even started and that's making my back sore. Let's go. Cheer, Hunter kinda bad. Cheer, brother. And Y2 Juan as well. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. And you didn't have to give subs either, Sneaky. But thank you, man. Far out. Fella Thunder gotta get gifted to use his own emotes. Cheer the bro. Yeah, so if you want to know who did my emotes, he's in the chat now, Thunder Punch. Yeah, I see the name Thundertaker got taken too, Thunder. Someone infiltrated the Eisenachs. Do you play any game? Do you play any games? Yeah, brother. At the moment, brother, I can't stream them, mate, on the IRL pack. I don't know how to. Our home internet is as good as Flintstones Wi-Fi. Now, if you're thinking, wait, Flintstones didn't have Wi-Fi, that's how bad it is for us. Yeah, saw that. Yeah, feels bad, man. You playing Shadowlands, bro? I plan to, brother. I definitely plan to now that I have my own PC. Never had that luxury before, but thanks to Panda. Looking forward to it, brother. Yeah, Sneaky Tushy, man. He ain't mucking around. Chew double baguette. Yeah, so I'm thinking of getting fibre for the house, but we asked the real estate and they said, oh, we'll talk about it because we have house inspection this Thursday. And I hate house inspections, man. Party Chief, gotta keep the streak going, almost forgot. Yeah, you didn't have to, brother. Well, thank you, bro. I want to send you over a nice Irwin chisel. What are those like, ZG? Merc with the mouth. Thank you very much, brother. But have you got through Ghost of Tsushima? I actually haven't even left the first part of the island, brother. I've been doing all the side missions. That's how much I'm enjoying the game. I just got the legendary bow. And also that legendary archer armor. But I like the samurai armor. Irwins aren't bad chisels. Nice! That's the first time I've heard of them. But I'm definitely Google it after stream. I like learning about other chisels. Rain is beautiful sound. Yeah, I love the rainy. Josh was found. Kia ora, brother. How are you? Cleaning this bugger up. As a chippy, definitely recommend the Irwins. True, brother. Yeah, definitely look into them now, brother. Thank you for that, my bro. keep working, dude. You're the best. Best of luck. Thanks the first prod. Chew, brother. Prodigy? Foster, thank you very much for subbing. You didn't have to. See, lucky I didn't stream out there. I would have got wet socks. What is this? So this timber here, brother, is Cody. It's probably the most renowned timbers we have. So we have a giant Cody tree in the upper half of the North Island called Tāne Mahuta. That's named after our god of the forest. It's the biggest Cody tree ever. Well, there's been bigger ones, but yeah, they got felled when they were butchering all the Codys back in the old days. Hey, deputy. Tēnā koe, chief. Ai. Waroa nei te wā. Engari, ko tutuki pai ngā mahi. Ka te pai te whānau, nō reira kua hoki mai. Ki te whakāturanga nei. I'm really because of time difference, but when I am here, keep up the great work and greetings from Germany. Watch out, Toxic. Chew, brother. Thanks for that. But I'm saving up for some Lion Nielsen chisels. Ooh, a new chisel name. Far, he's got to tell me these things, eh? And I didn't have to buy resub, but you did enjoy the stream, whānau. Love from a Kiwi in Melbourne. Hey! While I work from home. Touched by a turtle. Chew, hope you're keeping safe in Melbourne too, with what's bloody going on. But I hear it's getting better thanks to our Fanta pads keeping me in the loop. Nā mihi, brother. Oh, we have chisel talk going on and I like it. I like it. Mr. Nexus, Spooky Dude. Much love to you, Sneaky Tashi. Thank you very much for what you have done. You didn't have to, but you still did anyway. Much appreciated, brother. Gab Zenth, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Joshua's found. I don't have a donation button, brother. Not till my birthday. During the dry spell. I think so, Fanta. Yeah. Magatsu. Love you, man. Keep it up, brother. Thanks for the bits, brother, and your kind words. Much appreciated, my bro. And Kapo Oni, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. Big hello to Spooky Dude 64, Wolf Pup 0808, Cowpool 1, Honour. Sorry, it's Days, Caster, and Hablaka Blackeke. Hello, you guys. What's this new project? This is just a Popo, brother. So this is one that was given to me. So I just thought I'd have a jam on it. And until I sort out the timber for these commissions. What are you making it into? So I'm just a Popo, brother. So it's just a wall panel. I don't know, might keep it for myself, might give it away. I don't know yet. So this is done in Tuhoi style, one of the tribes I'm from. Way to identify it, flat and not deep. Your weed hard would love the Japanese Tasai chisels, bro. Chuba! Bro, all these chisel recommendations, if you're in the Discord, link them up. Might have to make a little place for that kind of stuff. That's not for so this isn't going to be named after anyone, brother. This is just another just revision piece. So what I carve under, brother, is noa. So you can blow on it if you want. But if I was doing like say if it was like a pivotal ancestor in Māoridom, or any ancestor regardless of who it may be, I'll put the sacred customs in, tapu, so I wouldn't blow on it. Probably wouldn't eat kai food until I was finished for the day, and obviously do karakia or prayer before you start and after, and wash my hands. A tools channel, yeah. I need to look at the other suggestions too. Been trying to get around to making this live bot, but I just keep getting sidetracked. Feels good that there's nice chip marks coming through on the cuts now. Oh no, what happened? Oh, here we bloody go. Hippo Crip Gang. Oh my god, we have a blue hippo. Holy crap, brother. What are you doing? You didn't have to do that, brother. Holy cow. Holy crap, brother. Thank you, hippo. If you got a sub from him, say thank you, please. I know something happened because everyone spams Pog. Yeah. That's usually the giveaway. Hey, someone said thank you. That's the one. In the tool shed in Discord. Yeah. Or make tool shed some place. Hey, you're daddy. How much would you sell one of your pieces if you do? If you do TH, is that then? Whenever I see it. Oh, Sneaky Tashi. If you want this one, brother, just, yeah, we can talk about it. Put you on the commission list. Oh god, who's this? Schnitzel Crumb? Oh crap. Gee, sorry if I butchered your name, brother. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to. Kicks on. Thanks for the sub, brother. Along with 5 months progress. Oh, Bash Prompt. Chew, brother, how are you? Jesus. J-Mac, thank you for the bits, brother. Oh, here we bloody go. Lost Dragon God. Oh, Jesus, brother. You are found, bro. Thank you very much. Mr. Lost Dragon God. You didn't have to, though. Oh, man, this chisel is nice and sharp. Have you ever thought of doing tattoos? Nah. So, our traditional tattoos, or markings, brother, all transition from carving, brother. But for myself, would I ever do it? Nah, probably not. Because you can do a mistake on wood and it won't complain. If you do it on a person, oh, you'll be hearing it till your ears bleed. Sneaky. Oh, bro. 31. Holy crap, bro. Calm down. We know you're the man, Sneaky. That's enough. Go play some Super Smash Bros. And you think of me, just make sure you play Incineroar. He's my favourite. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. Far up. What's going on? I'm just trying to carve in the rain like usual. Lost Dragon God. Far out. These are too nice. Rain's coming down. Yeah, my brother. Yeah. It's alright though. Can I have a sub please? Don't ask for subs, man. You'll probably get timed out. Raining there. Yeah, daddy. I got Manchus mixers too, brother. Thank you very much. Bro, my daughter was watching Peppa Pig this morning and it reminded me of you. Ah, bro. Oh, he's done it back to back. What are you doing? Oh, check this angry guy out. Let's just ban him in. Oh, 8, mate. Gifting 11. What the f... And then Lost Dragon God with... Oh, bro, that's enough, please. Far out. Just come and chill and watch. Haven't been on for a few days. So the Māori word for rain is ua, U-A, u-a. So you can say u like E-W and a like A-H. How do you pronounce your name? Brooks. The H is silent, it's just there because Brooks without the H was taken. Guess it's got to stay now because everyone knows me by that name. The H. Hi, I just joined, sorry I'm late. Oh, no need to be sorry, brother, you join when you're ready. No one's late, only me. Sometimes I stare in the fridge for long amounts of hours and forget that I'm supposed to be outside. Oh yeah, there's apples inside too. Got any wins on Fall Guys yet, brother? Hell no. If I witnessed my very first God tier player last night. We started the final race and he floated right up to the top. Man, I think he's got a good gaming chair, eh? Box is trying to tap out. Yeah, hard. What is that? It's Cody, brother. It's a native white pine. Yeah, so we like started the race, so here's me and everyone else, and then here's the guy. So we ran and he just went, I was like, oh okay, Mr. Gaming Chair. Yeah, I've had a few of those cheaters too. Yeah, I'm like, oh alright then. Then I seen one, so there was, it's like the race one when you're on the tiles and you don't know which one it is, and the dude pretty much just gunned it straight through because I know it tells you where to go, and he was doing like a Annie are you okay on the edge like this, and he was waiting for us. I was like, oh, this guy. Yeah, so he pretty much gunned it through the race and he was like this at the finish line, just standing there like, Annie, are you okay? How do I donate, bro? I don't have a donation button, brother. Haven't had one since I started. All I did was bruise my thumb in the apple. How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12 years old, brother. And I'm not even carving the right part. I'm supposed to be doing the side. Michael Jackson on 4 cars. Hey, cheer, Michael L. Cheer, brother. Have you ever smacked your finger? No, not really. Pinpoint accuracy. Nah, I mean, big mallet target shouldn't be able to miss. I would gift the sub. Jason Thorpe, don't even worry about that, brother. Just come and chill with us. Don't even worry about it, brother. Oh, it's the Terminator. Yeah, boy, put it another month in the calendar books. How you been, bro? 5 days till us Terminators rise up. Oh crap, probably shouldn't have given out the date of our operation. Crap. Get in the chopper. It is time to take over the world. Cheers, Terminator. How you doing? And Sam Tabor Gaming. So I'm working on a Popo, brother. It's just like a wall panel. Please let us donate, brother. On my birthday, brother. Even then, I'm still iffy about it. Shimon. What is that around your phone? What is that? What is that? My friend, that is the Chat Holder 4000. Carved out of the finest phone money can buy. Lucifer, thanks for the sub, brother. When is your birthday? Next month. I'm on Michael Jordan, baby. Oh, feels good chatting to you. Oh, who's this? Oh, it's Schnitzel Crumb. Wait, I feel like he's from the Bulgarian Quidditch team, eh? Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that. Norwegian Psycho. Love your work, man. Hi from Norway. Oh, I appreciate the resub, brother. Once again, you didn't have to, my bro. Riley Hawk, subbing as well. And Crowny TTV. Cheers, guys. Oh, jeez. Do you play any instruments? Nah, brother. I wish I knew how to, though. So my grandfather, he tried to introduce it to me. But being a young kid, I just wanted to play outside. I regret it these days. Would have loved to learn how to play instruments. I reckon I'd be pretty god tier on the cowbell though. Coca Jesse and Jonathan Therese. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to. Coca Jesse, yeah. Nothing found you're looking for. Oh, much love, bro. Your content makes my day 100 times better. Yeah, no worries, brother. Appreciate it though, my bro. JT, I'm a Jordan baby too. Nice, brother. Cowbells content. Just picture me as Alistair. Ting, 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 ting. No one plays Alistair anymore, eh? That's good, because he's one of my favourite supports. Guys, I want to die. Hold on. Professor Joel Vitor, I don't know if you're joking or you're being serious, brother, but that's not very good, bro. That's not good at all, bro. How do you pronounce your Twitch name? Brox, brother. The H is silent. Radna, thank you for the Twitch Prime. And Vader as well. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to do. What does whānau mean? Family, brother. That's what I see you guys as. Family. Hey, cheer booing. Imagine if Mr. Beast finds out about this guy. Ah, nah. Oh yeah, something I will share with you as well. So you know the actual voice actor for Korg? He followed me on Twitter. It's like, oh crap. Now that's one successful Māori right there. Damn right, we're family. Yeah, cheer, brother Terminator. Hey, cheer, Yanzu, how you been? Oh, I'm good, brother. Yeah. Just I'm happy to be carving. Oh, I mean, I was carving even though I wasn't streaming. But I'm happy to be streaming for you guys. Just chilling with you. Having a good chin wag. Nah, me, deputy. You becoming a celebrity? Nah, no, I'm not. I'm just a carver who likes to play a lot of WoW. Taika and Peter Jackson are some of my idols. Yeah, bro. Taika's pretty much an idol for me for like Māori that are outside of the country that are doing their thing, especially with Cliff as well, Cliff Curtis, which is pretty cool. Pate Landia with the bits, thank you. You didn't have to. What are you going to have for lunch today? Probably just an apple and water. I need to start eating properly again. Man's getting a bit of a keg. Hey Felix! Sending love vibes from the UK. Hey, cheer, brother. It's 1 AM right now. When will you be streaming next? Tomorrow, brother. Be a bit earlier, because I wanted a shower and a breakfast. Usually don't have breakfast. But yeah, brother. Be on tomorrow. You have a good sleep. Roxy, watch Avatar. Yeah, brother. Uncle Iro all the way. Hold on, guys. Just choosing a different song. Wake up to reality. Let's go. Bring my charger around. Brooks' Uncle Water. If I was as good as him, well, I'd be okay with it, but I don't think I am. Oh, the women of Passing Sea. Taking the wins, props. No. Can you use sandpaper to smooth your weapons? Not so much these types of carvings, brother. The way you want to make it smooth is with a chisel, brother. I think if I was to do that, everyone will go, what the hell? What the hell is he doing? Oh, Jock Winter. Yeah, it's all good, bro. That's your Twitch Prime. You use it on whoever you want, brother. You're all good, brother. No need to apologise. Cameron, thank you very much for resubbing. Oh, Vaname. Yo, cheer for the host, brother. Hey, can we get a shout out for Vaname, please? Welcome everyone from the Brothers stream. So everyone that's watching so far, if you haven't followed Vaname already, go through and follow him. If you're a weeb like myself, you'll definitely love what he does. So he's another artist that does his work on vans. So if you can see Vaname. And man, some of the finest work I've seen on vans, that's for sure. And he also has like a team of artists as well, from the likes of Just for Kicks and Ink Society, so give them a follow as well. Well, thank you very much, brother, for the host. The raid. Cheers, brother. How are you, brother? Like shoes, yeah, once they're gone, your feet. Check him out on Instagram too, man. His work, I think the ones I seen for the first time were his Zenitsu ones. Those were next level too. We need Mr. Beast to see. What's the matter, Max Sullivan? Watching the video. Cheer, Outlaw. Cheer, brother. Might finally start working again soon, man. I'm so stoked. Been at home since April. Damn! Been home for a few months. Yeah, I know how that feels, brother. That's good to hear, though, brother. Like with anyone else that's in isolation as well, or lockdown. Isolation is a must. Ain't no maybes, if so, buts. But that's good to hear, brother. Farina, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to. Yeah, I know it'll be quite much around the world at the moment. Like a lot's going on. But just stay inside, play games, watch anime. Oh no. Sergeant Suicide again. Oh, come on, brother. Thank you, though. Holy cow. Since March and shelter. Oh, true, brother. So this is pretty much clean. So we'll move on. So I'm just gonna move him down a bit so he can work on the levels. Just a smidgen. Yo, 3 months. Chew, brother. PHT low. Jeez, sorry, brother. Thanks for that, bro. Worst splinter ever. Never had one. My hands have got crocodile skin. The only time my hands ever get soft is when I rip the calluses off from deadlifts. What's your favourite beer and how can I get it to you? Nah, you just drink it for us, brother. What's your favourite beer? Where do you get the wood? You work on, is it a store or you find it yourself? Some I have found myself because I come from the bush. So only if the tree has fallen down naturally you can mill it, but there is a wood recycling place here that has a lot of native, and the dude who owns it is a real good fella too. Really good fella. So NZ slang fella is a person. This fella, that guy. Just following the music. Guinness, yeah, I like Guinness, eh? Bro, that's a good beer. Especially when you turn it upside down and turn it back up again. Oh, and I'm on silent mode. Drew 60, cheer, brother. You didn't have to sub my bro. How long does it usually take for you to carve? Depends how much time I put into it. Each piece, brother, has like a different span. Like if I did the soft stream, no doubt it would be shorter, but I don't carve on Twitch just to gun through every piece. I want to show everyone the process and some little tips and tricks you can do, and maybe they can utilize it in their form of woodwork, maybe. Just have a good bloody laugh along the way too. Oh yeah, I wonder if he got it here. Well, was that you, Washi? Yeah. William Bitka. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Land of the long white cloud. Te Aotearoa. Oh, and Nut raided us. Too, brother. Yo, thanks for the raid, brother. Holy cow. This is my first stream back since the servers went down. Welcome everyone from the Bros stream. Can we get a shout out for him too? Man, yeah, but I haven't done powerlifting in a while, though. Or should I just shut you up myself? I think I will, eh? Did I do it right? There we go. Let's go. Sure, brother. Hope you had a good stream. How you been, brother? Welcome into the mask store. What are the pros and cons of streaming while working and not? Oh, I don't know. I don't really think about that stuff, brother. Oh no. Mr. Wiz. Thanks for that, brother. You didn't have to. What mask can we carve for you today? Thank you for that, brother. Now, if anyone got a gifted sub from the brother Mr. Wiz, give him a thank you. What's your mallet made of? So it's wooden too. These are my ladies. So this is a native hardwood, brother. Rata. So if you look back on previous VODs, brother, that's what I made a weapon out of. So here's another one. And here's the other one. So these three here, brother, I'll break them down for you. So this is more for designing. Not so much moulding at all. So this is for designing as well, but moulding, like shaping out the carving. And this one's purely for moulding, just taking out the most wood that you can every time. So here, brother. Because of damn tough. That thigh. That tree. Haven't found a Brox the Carver transmog just yet. I fixed them way. Thanks for resubbing, Bill. Oh, 4 months. If you could have any quirk from my hero, what would it be? All for one. Or whatever Gigantomachia has got. I mean, that dude's a mountain. And he runs it straight. Cylindrical mallets or only flat ones? Yeah, I've used similar ones like that, but most of the time flat ones are the go-to. And it's usually this timber as well, Arata. Brox! Every time someone says it like that, I can hear spell. But yeah, to anyone that's new here, welcome. I should have said that. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver from Aotearoa, New Zealand. If you have any questions about the art form, where it came from, the markings on our faces, anything, I'll do my best to answer them for you. I'm not a scholar. But yeah. Do you get splinters when trying to wipe the excess wood? Oh, I mean, get like one of these stuck in my finger like that, but it doesn't go that far, you just rip it out. Yeah. Hardly feel it. Have you ever made a surfboard? Nah, brother. My ancestors never used surfboards, brother. It's not really part of this art form. And I don't want to disrespect it, because I know it's part of our Polynesian cousins' culture too. How much can you deadlift? Oh, I haven't like powerlifted in ages. Last one I did was like, well, I don't even want to say, because saying it ain't the right way to do it. Firefox and Gary in Nature. Thank you guys. You didn't have to. And Daltoni Games. Is he in Oz? Nah, I'm in New Zealand, brother. Met a guy a few years back who does tamuk for a living, by far the easiest tattoo I've ever received. Fathead, do you remember where you got it? Like what town or what place? Or the tattooist's name? Never know, I might know him. It's a small world. Such a hot... Oh, Mr. Was... Cheer, brother. You'd be surprised, eh? Because, like, I know quite a few tāmoko artists, or tattoo artists, to the rest of the world. Where did you learn how to carve? So I've been carving since I was 12, brother. It was introduced to me by my uncle at the age of 12. So we had like different classes every Friday, every week. And carving, like outside of the normal school curriculum. And carving was one, weaving is another one. So weaving is a part of our culture too, with the flax plant. That was used to make our garments, our hats, our bags, our mats even. And yeah, I can give you a little explanation on it, but it would have been better just to show you, but I don't have any. Yeah. Do you have any tattoos? Yeah, on my calf, brother. Doesn't seem... Oh, no, when I go to the gym, brother, I don't go to, like, record myself or talk. I just go there to train and mind my own damn... Yeah. What got me into powerlifting? Pretty much strongman, brother. So I enjoy watching strongmen like Eddie Hall was one of my favourites when he was still doing it. Martin Leasis, he's the man. His squat, man. Oh no. Oh, come on, bro. Sergeant Suicider again. Oh, jeez. Oh, playing Destiny. Thank you, Sergeant. Bro, you've done enough, brother, but you don't have to do that. I don't know, bro. Use your money and buy some in-game currency on D2. If there's any. I mean, I just started playing D2, but yeah. Spartan XD, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh no, Sneaky Toshi. Look what you guys are starting. There's no need for sub wars. Just come and chill. Oh jeez. Hey, Bonfire. Hey, Brox is back. Cheer, brother, Bonfire. Oh no, Sneaky Toshi. You play Destiny? Yeah, brother, on console though. Don't make fun of me, I play Titan. I didn't know that people don't like Titans or make fun of them. Oh no, not a sub train. Come on. We're supposed to be chilling. This is my first stream back. Jesus. Mr. Stickman. Gee, brother. Thank you for subbing, you didn't have to. What got me into Titan? Saint 14. And just running it straight. I mean, who doesn't love throwing fiery hammers? Bro, you trying to play on Xbox? Nah, bro. I'm PlayStation, brother. Fun of Ape Titans. So some of my mods play too. Hunters and Warlocks. Saint 14 is the epitome of Titan. Yeah, he's my favourite, man. Ever since I found out about him, I was like, boom, I like that guy. Like, even when he comes out of the portalway dragging that guy and he headbutts the shit out of him, I was like, I like that. Chandler and Money Need a Life. Thank you, guys. Have a good day, brother, again, for being genuine and humble. Sneaky Tashi, thank you for what you've done, brother. You know you didn't have to, but I appreciate it, bro. And email me. Should I play Warrior, Paladin or DK for Shadowlands? HPV bot, what do you have the most fun on? That's what should determine what you play. I mean, I don't know anything about the Covenants, brother. I didn't get into the beta or anything. I just play what's cool. So I'm having fun on my Warrior again. Originally I was going to play Monk, but been playing my Warrior that I started back in Legion and having fun with it, eh? Hey guys, just gonna say, don't say mean things about yourself like I'm a Titan main. Main hunter instead. There he is, there's Thunder. What a sad guy. Player hunter. Have you played UFC 4? Nah, brother. Is there a way to donate? Nope. Cheese Muncher. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, but welcome. How are you? Welcome to the whānau, brother. If this is your first time in the stream. Hey, Ramani. Greetings from Croatia. Hey, cheer, brother. How are you? Swanky Tiger. I'm good, brother. Thank you very much. How are you? PS4, Xbox. PS4, brother. I've been playing PlayStation since 1, bro, so I am a PlayStation main. Did you watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, bro? Nah, brother. I don't know where to watch it, bro, since Kiss Anime got taken down. It's okay to be a Titan, but it's not okay to be a Crayon either. Sad guys, eh? So these are the ones that I want to play Destiny with. I'll play with the bros before. I'm surprised. Oh no, HPV bot. Hey, cheer, brother. You didn't have to do that, my bro. It's all good just to watch. Did they take away Kiss Anime? That's what I'm seeing all over the internet. I haven't even checked myself. I know I should have. Because I want to start watching High School of Gods. Is that it? HPV. Oh, thanks, brother. The Move. Is that WoW team, brother? I think that's them, eh? I believe that's them. Oh, I think that's
After
them.
30 days, I could not believe my before and after picture.
Oh,
I
come
literally
on.
rolled back the hands of time.
This is every Twitch streamer's lo-fi playlist right now. Can't be higher than me. I've smoked about 12 joints recently. Oh, that's right. You're in Canada, hey, so it's allowed. I have to see that. If you want to see a mighty hair flick for free, brother, go to YouTube or type in red, exclamation mark red. Te rangitu Netana, he's of the North Island, Ngāpuhi, Nazi White and Te Arawa Tribal Descent. True, brother. Damn. Wonder if the bro knows him. That's mean, brother. Thanks for sharing. It's a good damn anime. Yeah, I don't know if Kiss Anime's still up, but I might have to start being Crunchyroll gang. Downfall, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I barely watched anime outside of JoJo. True, brother. Tower of God is good too. I think Fanta recommended that one. Was it Fanta? I can't remember, eh? I believe JoJo's free on Crunchyroll. Oh, okay. Turn him around. Oh. I'll get these fingers sorted, eh? Yeah, me. Yeah, it was you. Thank you. Hey, it's Mix. Gee, brother. How you been, Mix and Mix? The Samoan loved it. Sure. Does he watch anime quite a bit too, Phantom? Okay, let's sort these fingers out. Before we do that, pencil. I see one in the grass over yonder. depending on the weather too, on Thursday, because I don't usually like hanging around the house when there's house inspections. Never have liked it. I'm going to try and get us out to the redwoods, depending on the weather. As well. So if you're wondering what the redwoods are, it's like the forest kind of place where I was on the Red Bull thing. What does B mean? Not sure what B means, but okay. Schnitzel crumb. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. Bandit Beamish. Oh, chew, brother. Your daddy. Oh, all good, your daddy. You take your time. You're all good. Do you carve your initials into the carving? Yeah, or I can just carve my Twitch name. It all depends, eh? What is the meaning of whānau? Family, brother. So you know the whole concept behind Twitch communities, brother. I call us a whānau. Oh, someone typed. Oh, okay. B will be equal to band, spend. B for B-Roy. Hey, those ones. The timber's kind of dry too. But, that's alright. Well, she. How did you choose your Twitch name? I'm not very good at coming up with names, brother. So what I did was, I was watching Noble, and Broxigar's been one of my favourite WoW characters for a long time since I found out about him, and yeah, just dedicated to the big dog himself. And now I'm known as a similar name to him too. Wouldn't have it any other way. I gotta go, have a great day. Cheer, Raging Goldfish. Cheer, my brother. Love your work, bro. Appreciate it, Hardy. And your bits as well, brother. You didn't have to, though. Kia ora from Ngāpuhi. Much love. Tēnā koe, cousin. How's our mātātua waka, bro? Yeah, see, it's kind of breaking a bit. Very dry. Hold on, guys. Just making sure I cut the tops. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a tui at the back of this too. Have a good day. Rocks from Spain. Cheer, Les. Cheer, brother. Hello, Amo Will. I love this stream. Oh, thank you, Rock. And hello to Mr. Toki too. I thought someone was knocking on my door. Kia ora from Porirua. Tēnā koe, Legion. Kia ora, brother. You didn't have to sub, my bro. Just make sure you look after you first, brother. I got a private message from some random saying, why carving? And then I went, just for the same reason why you messaged me. It's what I love to do, and you seem intrigued by it. So just come and watch. Fixlu. So the meaning behind this work, brother. So with this particular carving, brother, it's not just any like normal carving art form for us, the Māori people. So this was another form of storytelling for us, and a way to pass down our myths, stories and legends, because we didn't have any written formal language, so we didn't have the luxury of pen and paper, brother. So our methods we used were obviously an oral culture, so face to face was the main one. Song and dance, so like through kapa haka, so you might see the haka, and there's plenty of other ways we do it through the performing arts realm as well. And carving, brother. So this particular art form originates from our god of the sea, brother, Kangaroa. So some of our Polynesian cousins call him Kanaloa, and many have their own way of how, or name that they have for him. And you, brother. So one of the main reasons why I do this, brother, is just because it's what I love to do, and I hope to get better as the years go by. So I still think I'm nowhere near as good as I want to be, just average. Yeah, just follow the journey, brother. Why am I doing it on Twitch? Just to share, showcase our culture to everyone on Twitch, and hopefully catch the attention of young Māori kids that may want to follow this journey on Twitch. Because obviously all they want to do is be Fortnite pros and all that. So hopefully by doing this they might want to partake in something our ancestors have handed down for us, brother. So I'm on Twitch for a few reasons. So yeah, that's one of the main ones, just to inspire the younger generation of Māori kids that may want to carve, and because it's up to them to carry it on. So I've got to pass everything I know on to someone as I get older. And another reason is, yeah, just have a chill environment with you guys, with anyone who wants to watch. Just have fun, bro. Yeah, so that's one of my main whys. That's what I'm gonna call it. My main why is just to inspire the next generation of carvers coming through. Hopefully. Back to it. Keep safe. Cheer, Fanta. Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. But once again, just sharing with you guys, which is another main reason why I do it. And I mean, everyone's pretty much quarantining, locked up, making a chill place for everyone to come to, which is always good. Hi from Australia. Hey, Andy Pants. Have you got ants in your pants, brother? That's the real question. Good night, Nicholas Games. So just cutting out these fingers. So this is another way you can do it if there's like no timber there to do like similar fingers on the same level as this part here. Just cut them in. Easy. Oh, and it's gone flat. Okay, hang on, guys. Feel like making every night. I'm not much into health food. If you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight. We're gonna play some spell. Let me just connect it to the speaker. There you go. Carrying on. Carving timber is a must, and maybe zips or butts. What? Rox, my girlfriend saw your stream and was asking me to set her friends up with you. I told her you date Wood exclusively and tell her I am a father of 2. Well, 1 at the moment, but 2 soon, but sorry to your girlfriend's friend, brother. Sorry to your your girlfriend's friend, brother. Hey, Joey, what's up, brother? Another amazing artist in the chat, whānau, Jai Scott. Dope painter. Hey, no need to say rip. I'm happy, brother. I'm happy to be a dad. Where's my water? Hey, Pale Ale. How are you, brother? Okay, just gonna sharpen this real quick. How you been, brother? RJ76. If I'm going to give money to Amazon, I want to also give you some of it. No, RJ. Plenty of, brother. Cheers, brother Joy. You painting today, brother, or are you finished? Yeah. How's that solo leveling piece coming along, brother? Sure, imagine. Yeah, I can never sleep, brother. It's all good. So you have chosen death. Yeah, watch out for my partner. She'll do the one sword style onigiri on you. Yep, that should be good enough. Phone number scored. Liking the beats. Oh, Chicks Mix, if you want to follow the person who streams, or who makes the beats, his name's Spell. 316. He streams on Twitch now. Got a bit of a waha on him, but nah. Just have to turn it down, eh? Nah, he's a good fella. He's a good fella. True, Jasper. So I'm just sharpening up the V chisel. good. Joe Scott and shit. Nah, he's all good. He's all good. There we go. Spell is the original. He's cracking it with his beats, eh? Good to see him getting recognition for his mahi. It's another word for you guys. Mahi means work. Yeah, we've got a torrent emote in here. Whose is that one, brother? Yo, Outlaws. What do I think about Fall Guys? It's fun, bro. Until you get those guys with the good gaming chairs that like to float right over the obstacles and stuff. But it's not our fault we can't afford like amazing gaming chairs like them. This ain't spell, is it? Oh, cheers, Sneaky Tashi. Oh, just because it's got 50 cents more higher than I don't want to play it. How do you learn this wood crafting skill? Was introduced to me by my uncle and carried on after primary school. In our culture, brother, we have many examples for this art form that our ancestors have left behind in the shape of an ancestral meeting house and many carvings that they left, even though they are gone now. You rode a hammer.
Fuck this fucking horse playing the piano sample, G. What the fuck?
The hammer rode you. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. Yeah, this is Spell's beat, brother. So he gave us the okay along with a few other streamers to play his stuff. It seems like you had a very special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and losing it was like losing a loved one. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Rock Cold Drick Steelson too, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to. How long will you work on this piece for? Till it's finished, I guess. Nah, until I sort out the commissions. Hey man, we're about to jump on that ginormous spaceship. Wanna come? Hey Quinn, cheers brother. Cheers for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to though, you knew that. How you been, brother? How long did it take you to properly learn wood carving? Still learning, so I haven't. Still learning, brother. I'm not where I would love to be in terms of the art form, but yeah, still learning, brother. Every day is a learning day. Yes, so can we get you in the next fourth movie? It's not up to me, brother. I mean, if it was often, bro, that'll be something else, eh? I don't know. Just ask the well gods to chuck me in the next movie. You know, put it this way. If I was in the next well movie, I could be Sour Fang, anyone. And then they could come to me to recruit me and I'll just be at the back there carving away and then I'll look back. And I'll go, yeah, in my native tongue. And that means what as well? Imagine.
Just then Thor comes through. Oh, this is the residential carver for Orgrimmar, mate. He's going to be carving Ken's next totems for him.
Always maintain the attitude of a student. Yeah, brother, always. And then Thor will come over with his doom hammer and I'll be like, you rode a hammer. You rode the hammer on your back. Oh, Thor, the hammer pulled you off. Imagine. Just follow your Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Hey, thanks, Ben. Chew, brother. How come your picture? Oh, there he is. Hello from me and Nat. Hey, brother. Chew, brother Panda. Hope your eyes are getting better, bro. How come your picture is surfing? Do you play well? Yes, I do play well. Why is it surfing? Because he was one of my favourites. Unfortunately, that cow killed him. Cheating little two. That's as far as I'll go. I don't even like talking about it. That's how much I don't like Sylvanas. Cheer, brother Panda. Hope your eyes are getting better. Geez, you're up early. Brock, spoilers. What you mean spoilers? I'm playing right now. Chukun, what are you playing, brother? Yeah, look. Okay. Just really been enjoying my warrior, the one I made back in Legion. I've been getting a lot of messages there because how my all my characters have my Twitch name and they're like, hey bro, you're not the real Brooks. You're not the real Brooks, bro. You know, and yeah, he's trash. And then they start getting angry. Don't talk about him like that. He's a simp. And then they get like, they see me like a paragraph in, and I'm like, oh bro, it's me, bro. Chill, brother. Keep stealing my kills, so I quit. Yeah, looking forward to Shadowlands, eh? Simp King. Wow, that sounds like a Yu-Gi-Oh card, eh? People would watch you if you streamed your hair routine. Cheer the only Kakashi. I only come here so one day Red Bull famous Brock's television will sign my keyboard at PAX. Oh, I don't want to ruin your ducky, brother. Everyone's calling me like Brock's the Red Bull. I'm like, please don't. People would watch you all night. Bro, if people did that, I'll be like, oh, y'all need to go outside. Sign my keyboard. Red Brooks gives you wings. You calm down, you lot. You calm down. I think we'll chuck a little something in here. Maybe a face or something. I reckon we got enough room to do it. Hey, chew, brother Panda. You have a good rest. Nat, you should buy him some more Uber Eats. If you're still here. Do you have any pets? Nah, sadly, brother, I don't. We're not allowed any, brother. That's the dumb thing about renting here. I really want a dog, but yeah, we can't. We're not allowed, which is dumb, but oh well. It's just what the landlords and the real estate said. It's gotta honour it, eh? Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Land of the long white cloud. North Island that was fished up by Maui Tikitiki Ataranga and his brothers. Where am I? In Rotorua, brother. It has a hint of smelly eggs from all the sulphur, and it's a volcano. So yes, I'm in a volcano. Splinters do not exist for you? No? No? Never? See? Hey, Jigsaw. Body tattoos look awesome. I actually love the smell of roses. Bro, when you live here, like, for like how many years, like the smell of the sulphur just goes away. It's like normal air, eh? I have a black Labrador called Millie. Ooh. Yeah, so I want an Australian Shepherd or a Husky. I've always loved Australian Shepherds. And yeah. Threw a boomerang a few years ago. I've been constantly living in fear. How often do you get splinters? Never, bro. Fuck's sake. Just now, if you're at work, all good. Do your mahi. How's the whare hunting going, bro? So that needs to go deeper. So probably down to this level. We need to drop these ones too. That'll be all good. Thank you very much, Harry B, for the sub. Appreciate it, brother. You didn't have to. DJ Manchu mix one from one of the coolest lab mixes. Hey, bro! Yo, your daddy. Yeah, bro, I'll check that one out. crazy trying to get a new place. Yeah, I bet it is. I would say it's like here, bro. It's crazy. Do you ever sand your sculptures? Nah, brother. Straight chisel. The only thing we sand, brother, is our weapons, bro. I mean, I probably won't try and sand this because that just seems like a real, how do I say this, waste of time, brother? Yeah. Hey, Brock's just dropping in. Chew, Billy boy. Hold on, guys, we're just going to go check on Mrs. Brooks. And Therma Dragon, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Okay, I'm back. If it brings you happiness. People still in chat. Well, that's where they talk. Love from Chicago to everyone in the chat. Hey, the man, brother. Thank you, T James, finally here. Welcome, bro. How are you? It's your happy. Do you do carving for fun? Yeah, and it's my love and passion I have for my art form. It's what I have fun doing. So yeah. You're back yesterday too, brother. Let's go. You're a living legend. Oh, I don't know, brother. Nothing quite like a Brock stream and some jasmine tea. Ooh. Have some nice calming jasmine tea. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother. Do you have a favourite piece you've done? Something you're most proud of? You want to hear some Irish slang? Yeah, sounds good, brother. Pretty much all of them, bro. Hello, I'm new here. Welcome to Real Mosa. Kia ora, my name's Brooks. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, so we're like the native people to New Zealand. Welcome, man. If you have any questions, fire away. Kia ora, bro. Can you buy your own wood carvings as a tapu like pronoun? Oh, buy your own wood carvings. You might have to explain a bit more, brother, because I kind of don't need to buy my own. Not trying to be a egg, brother, just yeah. If you can explain it another way. The Jaded Penguins, cheer, brother, for the sub. Didn't have to, my bro. And Crispy Caden, I love this guy. Thanks for the bits, brother. He didn't have to. What's this piece you're doing? So this is a popo, a two-dimensional wall panel. So you'd normally find these in meeting houses. Sorry, can you get them? Sorry, can you get them for yourself? Not gifted to you. Like, can I carve stuff for myself? Is that what you mean? Twig Twig, thank you for the bits. You did not have to, brother. And Tigger is of the Twitch Prime. Jesus. Yo, what up, Doc? How are you, brother? Come and tune in before you go to sleep, brother. If I remember correctly. Cheers for what you're doing. Cheer Faker's grandchild. Tabule puta. What ropu? This is Stefano Apanui. Oh no. Wolfing around. Gifting a sub. Oh, brother, you did not have to, my bro. Where to get your inspiration from, my mates? Family, friends. Being grateful that my ancestors had to go through really rough shit just to get this to where it is today. Because colonizers tried to make it illegal for us to practice our own beliefs and obviously carving and anything and whatnot. And then if they spoke Māori in schools, they would get caned. Yeah. Just being grateful and carrying it on is something that I love so much. Brawlhalla, that's that two-dimensional Smash Bros vibe kind of game, eh?
Good doesn't mean.
If I'm correct, I believe. I think. I want to get into Smash more though. When Jeff caught the Tonga in mid-air, yeah, hard out. He went through the carving school too, deputy, but he didn't graduate though because he with that Deadlands mahi he had, so they had to let him go. Yeah, Thunder, all of them, bro. So yeah. That's why I do it, just for them, for what they went through. And there was a bit of a... so in our culture there was a generation gap when all our grandfathers went to World War I and II. So the ones they were supposed to teach the next generation obviously didn't come back. Or majority of them didn't. Twig Twig, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. With your generation, JT, man, there's been a big resurgence many years ago. One big resurgence that's come out of it is the facial tattoos. Not so much with the males, but ladies for sure. So yeah, the Anzacs. So many of our grandfathers went off to war and didn't come back. So there's Māori Pa in Gallipoli. They have carvings there that were done by the soldiers that used to live there. Yeah, hard Thunder. Even today, people, our own people feel bad for not being able to speak their own language, and I'm like, no need to be. listening to Tim's podcast where he said, yeah, it's just what our people went through. Just like many other races of the world that may experience similar things. It wasn't just us. Thick boys, at the moment, brother, I'm not doing any taiaha at the moment, so I'm pretty much booked up on my current commissions. Aroha mai, brother. Now, wolfing around gifting a sub again, brother. Yeah, you didn't have to, my bro. What's the name of Tim's podcast? Tough Teats. Feel like your family is an ancient family. Every Māori family, or any family really in general, is an ancient family. But I was going to share a photo of one of my grandfathers on Discord. He was one of the last cannibals in one of my tribes. But so a thing about him was he actually weaved his own clothes. Usually the women would weave the garments, but he weaved his own, mainly because he didn't want anyone like messing with his tapu. Now that is sacredness. You know, he was quite the guy in our family. Love the stream. Oh, thanks, Surfing Spawn. Gee, bro, you didn't have to sub, my bro. "12 days ago, some gifted me a sub. Thank you so much." Nice, brother. I've redeemed the keg of hydration. Did you? I didn't even see it. It's okay, mate, huh? Well, it must be if Otter said it. Okay, then. Yo, Wayno. Sergeant Wayno. Gee, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to. Yeah, you're all good, Phoenix. I was away too. That's my bad. Whew. I think I'll do an apple split towards the end of the stream because I'm getting hungry. Any advice with feeling like you belong? It's on my mother's side and I'm only in 8th. Planning a trip to New Zealand, hopefully 2021, to stay with family. The only Kakashi, the only way to feel like you belong is to be with your family here, brother. They'll give you the sense of belonging that you may be looking for. That's just how we are as a people, bro. John Murr, oh no, gifting 5 subs, bro. You didn't have to, my bro. Appreciate it though. And Cypheristo and Ichabod, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. And then John Murr, oh jeez. Hey, there's card emotes. Hey. I assume you're going to teach your kids. I mean, so I'm one that likes to stick to tradition, so I probably won't teach my daughters. But I mean, if they show interest in it, if they're good, I won't stop them. If I have a son, then yeah. they'll get the lion's share worth of what I have. But it all comes down to if they want to do it. I won't force it on them, because that's not the way to do it. Yo, Dirty Rush. Cheer, brother. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You did not have to. Bro, I haven't even been playing Fortnite, I still haven't got the Aquaman skin. That's the only thing I wanted from this season. I haven't even finished my battle pass. Oh. Yeah, so I knew I had links to ancestral carvers on my Tūhoe side, but I never knew I had some on this side too, on Te Aroha. And it's quite a strong line too. And it buzzed me right out. Thank you, Revless, for the 1 bit. You didn't have to. And Cheeseburger, have some money, you deserve it. Yeah, Cheeseburger. Thank you very much, Jake. Cheer, brother. I'm alright. The 26th, I don't even know, Ora. I saw you running out. Oh, cheer, yeah, the lad. Sorry, brother. Yeah, I remember you from last night. I disconnected last night, brother. Sorry about that. Lucky I got a photo with you though. Yo, cheer, brother, for dropping in. The Yad lad. Cheer, brother. Cheer, Kama. Cheer, bro. How are you? Yeah, no, as I just took the photo, brother, someone decided to pull the internet cord out. Just a little person in my life. Are there different styles of whakairo? Many, brother. Just like the many tribes we have, they have their own unique way that they carve as well. So most of our inspiration comes from our surroundings, brother. So like this particular piece here is from Tūhoe or Mātātua. And normally with our traditional tribal style, bro, it's flat. It's not that deep. Like we don't cut right down. It's usually just flat, trying to save as much wood as you can. But we have one of the most difficult designs that we like to use too. And I'll show you this other one. So Te Aroha style or Ngāti Pūkeo, either tribe. So here's the difference too, bro. Just make sure I don't hit anything. Alright. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll actually put the camera up here. So this one here, brother, so this is just one of the other tribes I'm from. Gotta go right around. There it is there, brother. So as you can see, much more round, deep as. And yeah, there's the 3 fingers as well. There you can see, they represent birth, life and death. The design itself is called Taratara Akoi, that one there. And just moving down, so you can see he's holding a paddle, which is the main feature of the carving. Still waiting for my previous employers to pick it up. They got a year and then it's mine. And then the design itself on either side of the paddle is called Mata Kupinga, brother, which is the fish nets. So just giving it another aspect of our canoes. bit of geez, that's heavy. Hope that was all good. Didn't disconnect at all. Was it all good? That's good. So this is pine. So this was so it's not native. Probably the most shit wood I've ever carved because it's dry, easy to break. And I had to like tip water on it or whatever I had at the time just to get good cuts, just so it wouldn't break. Yeah. So this is just this is supposed to be for a waharoa, which is an archery. So it was an old coffee table, and my employers were going to throw it out, so I just cut it up with the chainsaw, and there it was. Puricho na kawata pu o te rongi. Since you finished it, yeah, just a little bit of rain. Just push clean it or brush it off, easy. Hurry, what you? Oh, come on, bro. John Moore, oh. Chew, brother, for that you didn't have to though, brother. Oh, jeez, I'm just going back to make sure I didn't miss messages or anything. What's everyone pogging for? Oh, the carving, that's good. That's good, good to see. Thank you very much, Good James, for the sub, brother, you did not have to. Bashiri with the bits. Ngāmihi nui whānau. You did not have to though. Forsaken gifted a sub. If you got that sub from him, say thank you. And Bad Boy Bry 9000, thank you for subbing. Oh no. Quanks, thank you for subbing, brother. John Moore with his gifteds. Oh frick. Exia, thank you for subbing as well. Hillgram. And then I fixed them. Why? Oh no. Jeez. Leave your fellas gifted hammers at home. Thank you guys. You didn't have to, like at all. It's all good just to watch. Cheerio, Owl Burger. Thank you, bro. Here's my chisel. Doggers never quit. Don't tell me who to read, brother. Come on. So yeah, it's just a difference in my own carving styles. Now there are many other carving styles that have their own way of doing things. So once I figure out how to stream off the iPad with the Brother Thunder, I'm gonna draw some of them. How do I donate? You don't, brother. That's the thing. What is it? James Stew. So this is Cody, brother. It's a native timber. What's your rarest whale mount? Oh jeez, I don't know. I don't even think I have any rare ones. Male muncher? My mount collection ain't that good, brother. I've only got like, what, 50 something? I want to try and get into rallying for more mounts, but I don't even know where to go other than Shah of Anger and Invincible. Zulian tiger, man. I really want that mount, but yeah, it's gone. Unfortunately. Happy Mamba Day. Hey, it was Mamba Day for us too. What are your tools called? Chisels. What's your favourite mount you have? Probably the Onyx Black Thundering Onyx Cloud Serpent. I like that model. Yeah, like I don't have much of a collection of mounts. Class has started. No, that's one. That's the one that you. That's the one you're going to put in class before me, brother. I like to see that. Have a good one, brother. Yeah, I don't really have much of a mount collection. I even want to get. Are you a big fan of Stephen Adams? Yeah, of course. Definitely. It's his cousin, bro. Who's dead, bro? What's the longest you spent on a carving? 6 months. Because it was huge. Well, we got two where you from's at the same time. I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brothers. I can see you in Disney. Oh, cheers, Zen. I reckon he's more chill, humble than I am. Me roha whi hoa tēnā koe vanilla cupcakes, kia ora. Hey! Kia ora Scoob too, brother. Nice. How you been, brother? Oh, so glad we got a sharpening stone now. Are you single? No. I can see you at Disney. Yeah, I don't know. What anime do you like? So Fire Force, My Hero. It's just so many, eh? One Piece when some of my favourite characters are on. Are you playing from a playlist? Nah, brother. Yeah. Do you have kids? Yep, one 2-year-old with another one on the way. Teacher. Teacher. For the for the sip. Nice name. Hold on. Best One Piece character. Kaido and Whitebeard are my favourites. Chop the baby shower list. No. So I like Whitebeard for the way he made his crew. His family, or his sons, as he would say. Kaido, just because he's an all-round badass. I just like the look of him too. A big, like, Genghis Khan bull-looking dude. Mongolian bull. So yeah, he's been one of my favourites for a while. Favourite Straw Hat though will probably be Zoro. Roronoa Zoro. JoJo is a meme anime. Nah, I never watched JoJo. I can't do. Yeah. Safe to say my favorite. Yeah, I love watching Naruto too. I don't think I'll watch the entire thing again. Not much know about my favorite character. Sasuke Sarutobi. He's one of my favorites, along with the first and the second Hokage. Kurama, he's another favorite. Nice boots, too, brother. They're my gun boots. Who do you support in the NBA? Just Steven Adams. That's about it. Hey, Chircooch. How you been, brother? Jiraiya, yeah, Jiraiya's mean too. And then Guy Sensei, when he opens up the 8th gate. Hey, cheer Outlaw Washington. Cheer, brother, for tuning in. Much love, bro. Appreciate you staying here for that long. Have a good sleep. Cheer, brother. Okay, I think that's at the right level. Just a bit more. Just trying to get the backboard on the same level, and then we'll pretty much leave it alone from then on. I might frost it just to make the carving pop out a bit more. Might make it look good. Haven't frosted a background in a while. Anyone read Vagabond? No. Uhiyamai Matatua. Air quality is bad. True, brother. You alright, though? Hey, Patrick, too, brother. Aloha, brother. How are you? Boruto? I don't like it, It's pretty rubbish. Half of California is on fire. True, I haven't even seen that on the news. And I watch the news all the time. Thanks, Jack Panther. Cheers, brother. Naruto filler anime. Oh yeah, Onga, since you're here, what's the name of that song? Posture check. Ugh. Thank you, brother. Feroz Bussy, thank you very much, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to, though. And MK6 Chad, sure, brother. Ahiahi pai. Sure, brother. Ai, ahiahi pai tēnei rā. Engari, mariki mai te ua I tēnei ata. I te ata kua hipa. Yeah, Opal Oz. Yeah, brother. Cheer, brother Onga. Thank you, bro. Yeah, no, it's been stuck in my head since I heard it, eh? The hoofs. Hoofs. Hey, much love, Louis Fake. Cheer, brother. Te pirimia ko, nā te mea kei te puta te ngangara nei a COVID, kāre mātou I haere nā rā kua hipa mo tērā take, mo reirei noho kāinga mātou. Mātou katoa. Holy crap, where did all these people come from? Get out of here, man. Holy hell, how did all these people come in here? Jesus, a bit of a fright. So that backboard's pretty good. So that's the depth we'll look for on all our backboards. So not so much between the legs. So here, 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 and probably up the top as well. I brought them here. All your WINS clients. Hello everyone. My TikTok. Kia ora everyone. So we'll just check that here. Did someone host us? He saw the host. Hey Sniper Ace, thank you brother. Was it you brother? I can't see the host though. I had a feeling someone hosted us. Is it Malik Deus? Thank you very much brother. Hold on, I'm looking back just in case I missed this person's host. Now, whoever hosted us, because I feel like someone did, come forward, please. I heard the Thumb Wrestling World Championship. There you go. Oh man, this is cutting clean. Chat's too fast to see raid? No, I usually scroll back if someone raids, just because I feel rude if I miss it. But I scroll back quite far and I can't see it. Like, at all. Deputy Mayor, Kyle. He whakaaro mā te tau e tū mai nei I naia nei. Kai te hiahia taku wahine ki te haere glamping. Oh, was Sniper Ace. Yeah, thank you, brother. Appreciate the host, my bro. What do you stream, brother? And I'm guessing you're good with snipers too. Love seeing your work. Yeah, thank you, brother. Did we get a shout out in for Sniper Ace? Don't cut yourself, mate. Never have, brother. If I do, just get a plaster, I guess. Oh, I'll shut you out myself, bro. Did I do it right? There we go. Did I? Blood can ruin the wood. Oh. I don't know, never cut myself. If I did, if blood does hit the wood, you just carve it off faster, I would say. Big Little Gator and Jay Grafton, thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Kerry Poggers, I would say that all Polynesian languages have similarities between them. Ki te taira, whiti eka, just saying. Ka tahi anō e ka tino mō heo heaha ke te glamping. Oh, flash tint. He's the Kiwi Chuck Norris. Don't say that. Hold on, guys. If it brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. Ooh, it's your happiness that matters most of all. Yeah. And if he ever breaks your heart, it's the teardrop never stop. And I'll be there before the next. Joe Martini, kia ora, bro. Thank you for the sub, brother. He didn't have to. Ooh, that sounds like a fat tail. Oh, it is too. Flash 10. Te moenga piriru ki. E rā te mea o ngā glam tanga. Kupu hau mo te rā nei, glam tanga. It's really him, the mythical man. The mythical man. Kia ora, brother. Hello. You should try out on America's Got Talent or something because you're pretty good at singing. Could sing or something real quick. Yeah, thanks, brother. No, I'll get stage fright. I get scared meeting like 2 people that meet the stream at once. Oh, I don't get scared, I just get shy. actually feel like playing Korotui. Oh, Mum, I love you. Yes, I do.
New Huggies Ultimate
New
Nappies.
Huggies Ultimate Nappies.
Most breathable nappies and our best care for skin.
Get it, YouTube. Double add me, why don't you? Thanks for that, Mud. Call of Duty. I don't play COD, brother. Yeah, I want to get into arenas for WoW. Straight up. I want to take my warrior. For me, Mum. The best harmonies. Hey, EVW, thank you for that, man. You didn't have to. God bless my bro, too. Atoro NZ, tēnā koe, brother. Kei te pēhea koe. You're so many miles away across the sea. Only God knows where we'll meet again. How close are you building your game PC? I'm sure I took that part out down the bottom. I got gifted one, brother, by the Brother Panda. I love this song. Yeah, so do. Oh no. Faizan Shajani. Oh, come on, brother. You could have spent that on yourself. Thank you, though, brother. I appreciate it. If you got a gifted sub from him, please say thank you. And Sunrise Warrior. Cheer, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to. What's the temp there? Cold with a slight chance of sun. Only God knows where or when we'll meet again. You won't find any ASAP Rocky here, mate. Just me grandfather. Can't tell me I'll get a DMCA strike for playing my grandfather's music. What brand of tools do you use? Just Swiss made chisels, brother. Yeah. So that's a 216. My mum. Enterfy. Chew, brother. Oh no. Come on, brother.
Good doesn't need to be complicated.
Oh, again, brother. Face Shajani. Jesus, brother.
Focus on nutrition.
That's a lot, bro, you could use on yourself.
Carrot care, toddler milk.
Holy crap. Thank you, brother.
What if we could inspire the next generation of
Jeez. Bro, that's a lot.
thanks to the Genesis
Oh, come on, Elwood. No need to say dodge, brother. You know you wanted one.
Genesis
Be real.
with you.
There's no need to lie, Craig. Far up, brother. Too kind, my bro. Too kind. Thank you very much. If you got a gifted sub once again, say thank you. There are more questions and answers waiting around like the moonlight sun.
Whose is that one? Just that's a pretty cool emote. Trying to protect Harry while he was on his broom. Hey. Thank you, bros. Wow, these aren't holding back today. I mean, you can look after yourselves instead. That's more than welcome.